Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be creating one custom agent action from Agentforce as asset library. So I have already created one invocable action. So in this invocable action, basically, uh, like case number will be taken as an input, and based on the case number, it will show different case details. Like here is the invocable method with the label get basic case details part 2, and the description is retrieves basic case details subject origin description account as a single formatted string, and it will display the case details like in this well formatted way. So let's jump into Agentforce asset library. So I'm just on clicking on the new agent action, we can create a new action which can reference an apex. Like agent actions are nothing but like how an agent gets things done. To create an agent action, start with functionality you already have in Salesforce. Like this is one invocable apex. So we can invoke in from the flows, like in action we can invoke the same invocable action from the flows, but in this case, in this use case, we can invoke it from the agent action. We will create an agent action which references this invocable apex, and we will be using this into a agent. So in the reference type, we can there are different reference type available like Apex, API flow, predictive model, prompt template. So in this case, I'm choosing Apex and a reference action category. Like there are two categories are there, like Apex REST that is in beta and invocable methods. So in our use case, that is Apex is invocable method, and in this case we need to reference the action, need to choose the Apex action. So this reference action label is coming from the um, this label of the invocable method. Okay, and whenever we will be creating that agent action, so so that this description, like this invocable method description, will be showing in that instruction section in that agent action. On clicking on next, uh, you can see that agent action instruction is already auto-populated. So it's taking from the description of the invocable method description. And show loading text area, it's basically the text after something we are asking to the uh, Agentforce AI assistant, while showing that results. In the meantime, this text will be displayed like different uh, different messages we can write to customize the stuffs, like crafting your email, making updates, getting activity details. We can write like getting case details. We can write as this as a custom message as a loading text. And input and output, there are two options are available. Like input, it will take the number, case number, like in for this case record, this is the case number as an input, and this is a required input, and we can collect data from the user. And this is the output section. We need to mention like display the case details. So it's basically uh, will show the different case attributes, subject origin description account name in a single text. So, and we need to we need to check the checkbox like show in conversation. So this needs to be checked. And output rendering section, we can make it rich text area. and on clicking finish. So so it's got created, um, and we can see the description and source as a custom, since this is an custom apex. This is an apex, so the source is custom.